Erin Casali and a Senior Design Director currently working as Head of Design for Jetpack, one of Automattic products. I have over 10 years of management and leadership experience from really small startups to large distributed and global organizations. Design in leadership to me is a very dear topic, partially because, design is where I'm coming from, but also because I truly believe that our skills and everything we practice are a really good addition to any organization in service, because our abilities allow to set a brighter, sharper and clearer vision forward, but also they are able to get a lot of insight on our customers and our users in general. Specifically, I'm going to teach you a masterclass around feedback. Now, feedback is a very interesting topic because we all do it. It's so normal and so common. And for that reason, very few people actually stop a moment and start to see how they can improve the practice. Thing is, feedback can act as a multiplier on all your existing leadership skills. And that's why my masterclass is going to dispel some myths, introduce some useful and grounded mental model you can use in your own practice, as well as providing a lot of techniques and tips in your day-to-day work. I hope to see you soon. Bye!